Everyone is you pushed out. So everybody is you externalized. So once you have a desire for something, you're going to see a reflection of people around you, situations, and they're going to mirror and reflect what you've been thinking. It goes good or bad. So what you want to do is you want to monitor, you want to reflect on your events, the things that happen to you throughout the day, and then try to see how your mood was. How are you feeling? What was your frequency like, your vibration? And then you can correlate the two. Whenever you have something good happen to you, you were in a high vibration, you were feeling good. And whenever something bad happened to you, you weren't positive, maybe you were negative, you weren't speaking good positive words of affirmations. So make sure that you check in with yourself.